Alright, in this video here I've got a Defiant doorknob. This is fresh out of the package, hasn't even had a key stuck in it. And I got it, so the package didn't say anything about security features on it, or they'll say like anti-pick pins or pick resistant or something like that on the package, like the older ones anyways. I haven't looked at one in a while. This one didn't say anything about any of that, so I just wanted to pick it open and see what it had inside. And on the older ones of these, they would say they like pick resistant pins or something along those lines, and they would just have one spool in them usually. This isn't giving any indication that it has any security pins in it. No false set, no counter rotation. But then again, it's not open yet either, so. There we go. So now it's open, so now we'll see about gutting it here. Zoom out and adjust the camera. Okay. Double click tool here. Yeah, this does end up locking back. No big deal, because I do have the keys for it. They're just still in the package. Actually, let me just do that here. It's easier to get the clip off when it's locked. Alright, so clips off. So there's the bitting on it right here. Not too wild or anything. Alright, we know that the bottom is just going to be standard pins because it's these always are. And these are actually stock quick set pins. They're rounded on both sides, not pointed on one side. And then up top here, I didn't feel any spools or anything, so I'd be surprised if there's one in there, which I've been surprised before. So number 1 is just a standard 2. is, looks like standard as well. Oh, there's a spool. Number 3 is a spool. 4 standard and 5 standard. So they do have, they're just one random spool in there, but didn't really come into play, I don't think. I didn't feel anything with it. So anyway, that's what's inside a brand new Defiant lock from Home Depot. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to everybody later.